When I was broke, the only thing scarier than looking at my bank account balance was the thought that I was going to be stuck there forever. And I know the thought and the feeling of looking at your phone, and when you look at it, you're like, yo, how am I even supposed to start a business if I could barely even fund for today's meal or barely even pay for the bills? But here's the truth, you don't need money to start. You just need to have this one strategy, and by the end of the video, you'll have it. Now, look, I'm not talking about theories. I'm not talking about none of that. I'm not even talking about overnight riches. Forget about all that. This is the exact same process I would take if I lost all my money tomorrow. And it works because you're not building upon money, you're building upon skills, guys. And the biggest reason why most people never start their business is because they think that money is the first requirement, and that's further from the truth. Every business you admire started off with nothing but an idea, skills, and relentless action. Your first step is to realize that your value doesn't come from money or a bank account. It comes from the ability to solve a problem for a person or for a business. The second step, I want you to identify a high value skill that you can earn money off of by selling that to a business. And here's the beauty, there are skills out there that you can learn in days and in weeks. You don't have to take years learning that one skill. And the best part, people are willing to pay you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Things like social media management, video editing, building websites or landing pages, running ads for other businesses. And if you pick that one skill and you're able to learn it and commit to it and just continue to keep learning it, guys, people are willing to pay you guys thousands of dollars for that. And it doesn't take years to learn. It takes weeks, even days if you guys actually try to learn it. And guys, there's videos out there for free that you guys can watch. I'm gonna start posting content out there on how to do all this. I just started. But my point is, don't pay a course. Don't pay people thousands of dollars to learn skills that you can watch on YouTube for free, guys. And learn it and take action upon it. Don't fall into analysis paralysis where you're watching a video for a gazillion amount of minutes, and you're just consuming when you're not taking action, guys. I fell through that, and I think analysis paralysis is one of the most dangerous things that people fall against. So, guys, just take action and keep learning. Now, step 3, guys, it's we're gonna be leveraging free tools and other platforms that other people use. Now, you don't need an office, guys. Look, I'm starting from right here. I started from right here, and I make money here. People don't care about that. As long as you're giving them money, you're making them get money, giving them value. They don't care where you live. They don't care none of that. And there's other platforms that you could use, softwares like Google Doc, Canva, ChatGPT, and social media that you're able to create, present, and deliver services for these people. Guys, perfect example, YouTube. YouTube, you're able to watch it, consume what you need, and boom, get out. It's free, guys. So I just want you guys to leverage free tools right now. You don't need to spend money right now. Don't think about money. Just leverage free tools. Now, step 4, guys, we're going to be finding our first client without spending a penny. No ads, none of that. And here's a strategy. We're going to start off by using our existing network. Your network is your net worth. There's a saying out there that says that. And what we're going to do is we're going to post to social media, or you have your contact, guys. Your contacts in your phone right now, that could be your network too. And we're going to message a friend, join Facebook groups, and offer free services right now. And we're going to be offering them free website or free this, free that. And we're offering this for free, guys, because we want to be credible and we want to have that testimonial. And that's what we're going to offer. Yo, do this for free, give me a testimonial, and we're good. And when you offer that, you're credible. Now you have a case study where you're able to say, yo, I did this for XYZ person. Can I help you out with this? And start building that momentum, guys. Don't be scared. Your net worth is your network. Your network is your net worth. I'm sorry about that, guys. And that network that you have, guys, ask them, yo, can I help you out with this? Oh, can I help you out with that? And they're willing to pay you or even give you that testimonial to make you look credible, and you're starting to build momentum, guys. Now, step 5, we're going to scale from the first win that you get. So once you have a first client that he gets good results, don't just celebrate, leverage that. You could turn this into a consistent stream of income. Look, if you're waiting for the right time, this is the right time. No more excuses about money that you can't start because XYZ. That's further from the truth. Start off with that one skill. Look, start solving problems. Help people with free tools that you're able to utilize. You guys can even go to a business and ask them, yo, I'll take care of your Instagram stuff. I'll take care of this. I can do this. Guys, you do that, you guys can get compensated for it, guys. They don't want to do that. They just want to work on their own craft, their own business. And the only difference from the person that's making 5 figures and you is the fact that they actually started, because you truly don't know if it works. So just start. Okay, guys, how will we make money? The $1 million question. There's going to be a business out there that don't know how to do any automations, or they don't have a website, or they don't know how to do ads, or they don't know how to simply reach out to them through via SMS, Or they do know it, but they're just lazy. Half the time, people are just lazy and they don't want to do this for themselves. They just want to work on their own craft. But how will we reach out to these people? There's going to be people out there that don't know how to do anything, right? So we're going to find the people. So let's say we're working with, I don't know, gyms. And so we look at local gyms in Chicago, since I happen to be living in Chicago. Let's see. This one has a website. This one. Look at this gym does not have a website right here. Fit City, they don't have a website. So if we want to reach out to them, grab your phone, call them. You're like, yo, I made a pre-built website or anything like that. Can I help you out with that? Everybody has a website here, so let's go to the second landing page. And half the time, a lot of these people don't have websites, so let's keep going. We just picked gym as a service, but perfect example, MBS 24/7 Fitness don't have a website. Let's go to number 4. Elite Physique don't have a website. And we could keep going on for this days and days. But more of the story is a lot of these gyms don't have websites, don't have anything. They're too busy, caught up with certain things that they don't know exactly what to do. So when you tell them, like, yo, I can help this business out with a website, or I can help them out with ads, or I can help them automate this. Sooner or later, I'm going to teach you guys how to automate all this. This is just the beginning of the video. But yeah, you guys can make money. I'm sorry about that. You guys can make money with services, guys. They are missing a website. We found people. We can call them the next day. Yo, what's up? I can build you a website. Let's get it. But yeah, someone out there is making money on the same thing you want to start and you've been putting off. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes harder to start. You just need to start and don't think about being perfect. You just begin that journey. Don't let the next 6 months pass and be like, yo, I should have started. Do it now and actually start. Before you go to bed today, I want you guys to actually grab a notebook or grab something to write with and write down one skill you want to learn, one person you want to reach out to, and I want you guys to have one text message you're willing to send them tomorrow. Do that, and you've officially started a business without spending a penny. If you guys enjoyed this video, guys, take care. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, like this video, and I'm new to this, guys. Whatever, take care.